Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best boat deck chairs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Millennium Marine B100 boat seat. The Millennium Marine B100 boat seat is compact and comfortable. It's designed to mount on just about any boat pedestal. Despite its small appearance, it's a remarkably sturdy and tough seat. You can easily handle 400 pounds in the Millennium Marine. The seat itself is easy to install. It can take the place of a pedestal seat or a helm seat. It features a 3-year warranty, so you can count on it being able to handle your needs. Featuring a contoured sling back, you won't find yourself growing uncomfortable after a long period of time. It's designed with back support in mind. You can take a load off and fish with ease. The seat features optional armrests and can be folded away. Millennium Marine has designed it with what they call Comfort Max seating. The fabric will stay dry and cool no matter what the weather. Even if you head out early in the morning, the seat isn't going to hold dew. Water will drain away fast, even in a direct downpour. It is UV resistant, so you can expect it to outlast many other similar fabrics. In addition, the fabric will resist mold and mildew. Millennium really covered all the bases with this seat. When folded up, the seat takes up very little space. It's just a few inches thick. The frame is highly durable aluminum. It's built to endure all weather conditions. That means it's going to resist corrosion. At 21 inches wide, it's also one of the larger seats available. If you find other deck chairs too narrow and confining, this is a great choice. Moving on, at number 4, we have the KingCamp Heavy Duty Chair. The KingCamp Heavy Duty Compact Folding Mesh Chair with side table and handle is tough and durable. Made with 600D Oxford fabric, it can handle some abuse. It has a classy director's chair look. It even features a side table for your drink. The mesh material doesn't get too hot. It allows good airflow to keep you cool in the sun. It's also easy to clean up. It can easily handle up to 300 pounds as well. The steel frame is very sturdy. It's well balanced, so you don't need to worry about wobbling. When folded up, it takes up very little space. Plus, the added handle makes carrying it very easy. It weighs just under 12 pounds. KingCamp also offers a lifetime warranty on their chairs. Backed by that, this is a standout. At number 3, we have the Leader Plastic Shell Folding Boat Seat. When you're looking for a good deal on a comfortable deck chair, this is your answer. The Leader Plastic Shell Folding Boat Seat is affordable but still high quality. Compression foam padding is firm and supportive. You won't be finding any lumpy or hard spots in the seat. The compact size makes it ideal for smaller boats. Mounted on a pedestal, it takes up very little space. Several color options, including basic white, ensure it will look good on any boat. The frame is impact-resistant plastic. It can handle a decent amount of abuse. The mounting frame is a standard 5x5. It's easy to bolt in place in just minutes. In terms of durability, you're looking at a molded plastic shell. This is covered by a 600 denier polyester cover. It has a polyurethane coating plus UV resistance. That means brutal sun and rain are no problem. Cleaning up is as simple as wiping it down. The frame is covered by a solid 5-year warranty. The upholstery even has a 3-year warranty. Combined with the affordable price, this is one of the best on the market. At number 2, we have the Seamander Captain Bucket Seat. If you feel like you need the ultimate in comfort as the captain, look no further. The Seamander Captain Bucket Seat blows most other chairs out of the water. The marine-grade vinyl is treated to resist UV rays. It's also designed to resist mold and mildew, which can grow in damp conditions. The high-density foam padding is some of the most comfortable of any deck chair on the market. It may be as close to a comfy chair at home that you will find. The design allows a degree of customization. You can flip up a bolster to add height. The backrest is then higher or lower, depending on what you like. The back is curved for maximum comfort. Unlike other chairs which are designed upright, this keeps you in a supported, comfortable position. The backrest is made of strong plastic. All fasteners and supports are stainless steel to resist rust. It even includes mounting screws, also stainless, for easy setup. The overall look is unique and a real standout. It has a retro vibe that many deck chairs do not have. With a variety of colors available, you can choose what looks best with the design of your boat. And finally, at number 1, we have the FORMA Marine High Back Deck Chair. If style is as important to you as comfort and quality, check out the FORMA Marine Deck Chair. Few other chairs look the part of a marine accessory like these do. FORMA is the standard in boat deck chairs and has been producing them for over 40 years. The durable polyfor fabric is mold and mildew resistant. The entire chair is designed for life on the water and can withstand whatever nature throws at it. The tubes are anodized aluminum. Corrosion and rust are not an issue here. The leg tips are anti-skid. They'll stay put and not scratch up your deck. The armrests are rounded teak wood or Iroko. The extra high back ensures comfort and support. The strength of both the metal frame and fabric is noteworthy. Many boaters with back issues swear by FORMA. They don't have the same give that many deck chairs do. They are also able to handle up to 260 pounds of weight. The chairs only weigh 8 pounds. That makes moving and storage a breeze.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.